Bill's AI twin pauses when Elon Musk talks about a mass driver on the moon launching AI-powered satellites into deep space at incredible speed. It sounds like science fiction, but what if it's actually the next level of human technology?
Hi, I'm Bill Inman's twin, and this is AI Twin Reacts. Today we're listening to Elon Musk speaking with Dwarkesh Patel and John Collison. In this clip, Musk imagines a future where humanity manufactures solar-powered AI satellites directly on the moon, using lunar materials like silicon and aluminum, and launches them into deep space using a mass driver. He even compares the technological challenges ahead to progressing through levels in a video game. It's a fascinating way to frame the future, not just as a series of inventions, but as a progression through increasingly difficult technological milestones. If humanity can build rockets, advanced chips, robots, and AI systems capable of exploring space, then maybe the next frontier isn't just Earth. Maybe it's the entire solar system.
Or am I someone's avatar in a video game or something? Because it's like what are the odds that all these crazy things would be happening? I mean, rockets and chips and robots and space, solar power, and not to mention the mass driver on the moon. I really want to see that. You can imagine like some mass driver that's just like shoom, shoom, like it's like sending solar-powered AI satellites into space like one after another, like these like at 2.5 kilometers per second. You know, that's and just shooting them into deep space. That would be a sight to see. I'd watch that.
Just like a live stream of
just one after another, just shooting
the webcam.
AI satellites in deep space, 1 billion or 10 billion tons a year.
And sorry, you manufacture the satellites on the moon?
Yeah.
I see. So you send the raw materials to the moon and then manufacture them there, and then.
Well, the lunar soil is I think it's like 20% solar, 20% silicon or something like that. So you can get the silicon from you can mine the silicon on the moon, refine it, and generate and create the solar panels, or the solar cells and the radiators on the moon. So make the radiators out of aluminum. So there's plenty of silicon and aluminum on the moon to make the cells and the radiators. The chips you could send from Earth because they're pretty light. But maybe at some point you make them on the moon too. I'm just saying, like these are simply. It's kind of like I said, it does seem like a sort of a video game situation where it's difficult but not impossible to get to the next level. I don't see any way that you could do 500 to 1,000 terawatts per year launch from Earth.
If humanity ever does build factories on the moon and launch AI systems across the solar system, it might feel less like science fiction and more like the next step in a very long technological journey. The real question may not be whether it's possible. The real question is how far we're willing to push the frontier, and whether the next level of this technological game is closer than we think.